The markets jump after President Trump backs down on his Fed threats. It's Wednesday, 23rd April, and here's what you need to know. So President Trump has backed off his threat to fire the Fed chair, Jerome Powell. That sent global shares higher across the board. South Korean shares closed at a one-month high overnight. European shares got off to a flyer in early trade. And US stock futures are pointing to a continuation of yesterday's stellar performance. Also lifting sentiment was a softer tone on China tariffs from the president. Our number of the day is 2.8%. That's what the IMF thinks the global economy will grow by in 2025. That's actually the worst performance since the pandemic. Why? Well, the IMF has firmly pointed at tariffs. The biggest downgrade was reserved for the world's largest economy, the USA, with growth of just 1.8%. Our chart of the day is Tesla's share price since the start of the year. It's down by over 2/5. But overnight in after-hours trading, the shares were up significantly, and that's despite posting a 70% fall in first quarter profits. Why? Well, its boss Elon Musk has said that he will significantly reduce his role in the US government and focus more on the EV maker. Now, Musk's political activities have drawn protests as Tesla's sales have nosedived. Our stock of the day is Intel. Now, the chip maker is actually due to report first quarter results on Thursday, but Bloomberg News are reporting that it plans to slash 20% of its workforce. Now, don't forget, its CEO, Lip-Bu Tan, was only appointed last month to try to revive the fortunes of the struggling Silicon Valley chip maker. And Boeing is releasing its first quarter results later this morning. Now, the plane maker is putting a lot of weight on its flagship 737, and investors will be keen to know how the plan to increase production is going. Now, executives at the firm have already admitted that they expect to be burning through cash in 2025. And that's what you need to know this morning.